With this video, let's begin our section talking about social media posting and engagement.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Because as an affiliate, you're going to be doing a lot of posting on social media everywhere, every day, and you have to write engaging headlines in your posts so that people click and don't ignore you, because when you promote, you immediately have less trust associated with your posts because other people see it and they think, well, this person is just promoting something. He's one of thousands and thousands of people promoting some products online. And for affiliates, it's especially bad because what people see is an affiliate link. There's even less trust. And also, there's a lot of people promoting the same affiliate links, especially in popular programs. So you don't stand out with your product. So you must stand out with your headlines. It's extra important. It's extra important. And especially you have to learn to talk to your niche, because in affiliate marketing, you always have to be promoting to some niche and you have to find the language for your niche, the right things to say. And this is going to be for both, for posting direct links to products that you're promoting and for posting links to content. And then maybe it's a content like a blog post or a YouTube video. And from that content, you promote some affiliate link. So it's for all situations. But basically, when you write better headlines, you immediately get more engagement, more traffic, and of course, with that, more chances to sell. So with that, let's begin exploring copywriting so you can write better headlines for your sales from now on.